It's not gonna be the same.
Time for water, makeup, and drinking. Two new things ever.
Anyway,
Take two.
I'm sober, if you couldn't tell.
I'm sober too.
You just finished a glass of wine.
I did have a glass of wine.
Yes. I'm actually really excited about this now that I'll,
Be able to do it.
not black out.
What brush are we using, Katie, to do the foundation?
A Morphe M439. Use my code Katie. No, I'm just kidding. I remember doing this part.
I do too. It was just a nightmare.
Why
Shower
do
in
you
the
care?
morning anyway?
Then why do you care about what?
Because I'm gonna be on TV with all of your 10
Look
viewers
at that.
looking at me.
Whoa!
Do you have something to get rid of my neck wrinkles?
Time machine.
Yeah, that's what I need. What is this doing, Katie?
It's concealer. Are you okay? Did you get any adult acne yet from this makeup brush?
Not at the moment.
Huh, just wait.
No, I never do this. What is this for?
To set your makeup. You don't set your makeup?
No.
It's hard when you're starting from scratch.
Can you see the difference? Don't mind that. Somebody's being murdered outside of my house.
Well, here's the tricky part.
Making them
Mashing.
look. Yeah.
Something. Good. It's a very crucial part of the makeup routine. A lot of people forget that.
For all of you who can't see her face when she's doing that, she's looking at me like this.
That's also how I feel internally.
Are you concealing your mistake?
I'm concealing your mistake. I can't tell if you look like... What's the dad from American Pie's name?
I feel like it's all downhill after this.
Always.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna use your other trick. My nose is itchy.
Aww. I watched your video. Yeah, I'm the only one. Stop.
No blue. Did bring me right back to like the 70s. Or was that 80s? I was blue. I was too young.
Mm-hmm. You're really quiet. Oh.
I'm having a little toothache, right? A what?
Continue.
I wish I could make a burp.
You can do whatever you want.
No, I don't know how to do it.
You don't want to burp?
No.
I'm
Yes.
just gonna draw the wings.
Oh, I love wings. What is this now?
It's eyeliner. Don't open your eyes until I tell you to.
You do know that makes me really want to open my eyes. Like really bad. Like right now.
I don't know if I should make you do it because I don't want to blind you.
Just do it.
You have really blonde eyelashes.
Because I'm a natural blonde. I want you to contour me.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Tits out. Do I want to draw attention to my wrinkly neck?
It doesn't draw attention, it defines it.
Oh, let's define my wrinkly neck.
It defines your jawline, crazy lady. Hello! This is Izzy.
I don't believe I do enough.
I believe I do too much.
Oh, it was so funny. When I was picking Tommy up yesterday, and it was actually what I wrote, so I was like trying to leave the cell out.
I don't know, you just said I wasn't listening at all.
What do you feel would look best with this look? And I don't like a matte.
All of these are matte.
What is the purpose of lining my lips?
It just makes sure that it's easier to draw on the rest of it. Like to fill it in. I never would have been able to do this drunk. That video was doomed from the jump. Stop. Cool, you want to look like a crazy person? Look into the camera.
Hi,
Let them get a good look.
How do I look, everybody?
Okay, you ready?
Hey. I have never had wings before. It's scaring me a little bit. But you can do my eyebrows any day of the week. I look much better from farther away. But that has nothing to do with the makeup job. It's just I look better from far away. I look smashing.
You have makeup all over your teeth. I did not do your face justice.
My eyebrows look fantastic, people.
If you were going to rate this look out of 10.
I would say an 8.5. And the reason I say that is because I'm not a big fan of the wings. And I think there's too much going on here. Much better.